Welcome back to It's Erin. I am in Strasbourg, France. Yes, only a 2 or 3 hour train ride from Frankfurt. So I'm just off to show you the sights of Strasbourg. I can't wait. I love exploring new places. Yeah, it's gonna be great. Nothing is better than just coming to a city and sort of seeing photos from Instagram, but just walking around and exploring and just being a tourist and seeing what you stumble upon. I just like that. I have no plans. I just came here for 24 hours. I already did the boat tour and now I'm just walking around until my train. So I just love, walking around and finding things. Hi, how are you? And that is why, when it's all about the journey and not about the destination. And now I know why it is, because if you're doing what you love, if you're learning things and you're feeling fulfilled in your brain, when you really feel like, oh my God, I need some more. Like, if you're really living like that, I love designing new designs. I love seeing my designs on jackets and clothes, and I'm having a really fun time. And so, I'm having fun for myself, and I hope somebody out there is enjoying it too. But you know what? It's all about the journey. So the journey for me is I'm having a really great time doing all of this and bringing it, even if nobody's listening or maybe one person's listening, that doesn't matter. And now I totally know what it means. It's all about the journey, not about the destination.